Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change auto power off timer on GoPro Hero 12. To do this, we'll need to swipe our finger down from top of the screen and then move to the next page, enter preferences, here find the general and now scroll down, there's auto power off and by default it's set to 5 minutes. You can click on it to change, sorry I entered let's go for auto power off. Okay, and by default it's set to 5 minutes. You can change it between 1 minute to 13 minutes and it's also there's also option to set it to never. That means your camera will never power off automatically unless it discharges the battery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.